Hello guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Let me share with you a nice and yummy way to make your simple instant noodle into a delicious meal to share with the rest of your family. Here are all the ingredients we'll be using. I have some proteins and we have some vegetables and of course the noodle we're gonna be using. So to start, first in a pan you want to add some water, boil it, and then add in your noodle. Cover the pot and allow that to cook. Cook the noodle till it becomes 70% of how tender you like your noodles to be, and you're going to see why we're making it 70% of the way in the video. Now once that is done cooking, you want to sieve the water out. I love to run some cold water on my noodle to stop the cooking process, and then you want to set that aside. Now let's get into prepping our protein. So you want to whisk your egg, and then in a pan drizzle in some oil. Once that preheat, add your egg and fry your egg, but you want to scramble the egg because we want it to be in tiny chunks. Okay, scramble it. You're going to be frying this egg with no seasonings. Okay, just keep it as simple as possible. Once the egg is nicely fried, take it out of the pan, and then you're going to add in your sausages, and you're going to toast the sausages till it becomes a little bit brown. Okay, then once that is done, take it out of the pan, drizzle in more oil in the pan, allow that oil to preheat, and then you want to add in your chopped onions and some garlic, and then you're going to saute that for about a minute to allow the onions to release its flavor and aromas. Once that is done, pop in your chicken, and you're going to season your chicken with just salt, just a little bit of salt. Okay, you want to keep the seasoning very simple, but if you want it spicy, do not hesitate to add some chili flakes or any spicy pepper in there. Okay, now we want to keep frying this till it becomes golden brown, just like this. Now take it out of the oil, and then in that same pan you're going to drizzle in some oil. Please don't wipe your pan because you want all those flavor build up in there. Now you want to add in all your vegetables. I have some onions, colorful bell pepper, carrot, and some habanero pepper, just to add a little bit of spiciness to my noodle. You want to stir this for about a minute, and then you're going to add in your noodle seasonings, and you continue to stir fry for about 30 more seconds. Okay, and then once that is done, you're going to pop in your noodle. Now guys, add our proteins, and then you're going to mix this nicely well. If you're stopping by here on my channel for the very first time, hello there, my name is Ogechi. Welcome to this amazing family where we make delicious meal simple. If you like what we do here, do not hesitate to subscribe so you can become part of this amazing family. Now you want to take your time to mix these noodles very well, and then while mixing you're going to continue to stir fry this for about 3 more minutes, and that is why we cooked our noodle just 70% of the way, because we are still going to cook it more. Now the purpose of doing this is for the whole taste, the flavors and aromas and everything to take time to unify, okay, and blend well. Once that is done, your noodle is basically done. You can see how amazing this is looking, and just imagine how delicious it will taste. So I want to say a big thank you to all my lovely members that has been coming back to watch my videos. You guys have an amazing place in my heart. Thank you so much for always supporting your girl. I love you guys so much. Now guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoy it, do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section if this is something you would like to give a try, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.